Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. In today's video, you guys, it is a very special day. It is my babe, my boo thing, my best friend. You guys already know, okay? So yeah, you guys, we are celebrating his birthday at Bahama Breeze. As you can tell, you guys, nothing, major, because with Bay don't like to be the center of attention, y'all. If you know my husband, you know. But yeah, you guys, take a look. It looks so beautiful, so windy out, y'all. We love the vibes, so pretty. So yeah, you guys, it's just like a private dinner with families and friends. And yeah, you guys, I am holding my hair chat because your girl ain't glued all the way. But yeah, you guys, we here with families and friends, like I mentioned. So yeah, let's go in and see the rest of the family and friends. And if you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like our channel. But yeah, you guys, let's go in. And yeah, here go Eli and Zay right there taking picture. But yeah, let's go. Guys, we have everybody here. We have the family. If you're here, just consider yourself as a family. This is our table. Mom. Hey, Duda. Hey. Huh? What you want? A big meal? Okay, we're gonna order your food. Okay. Yeah. And here go Duda, Samaya, Kayla, Eli, Asia, Simon, Ma, Dr. Rich White, the family here, Matt, Quilleen, sister, bestie, period. Hey, what? Wait. No, it looks good. I don't like that lashes. I didn't even finish my hair. I don't have no savings. And this is us, the other family here. Hey y'all, ooh, y'all look cute. Mel, Brian. All right. That looks good, yes. That's my plate, y'all. That plate look, Nobody got their food yet. Asia drink. It's clean, okay? Dr. Rich Life. What you got, Clea? Hi, boo. Alright, you guys, we got some jerk wings. As you can see with some sauce. I'm not sure what kind of sauce is that. Find You don't see nobody with the oh yeah. Oh, and this tastes so good. Yeah. Oh yeah. What you doing? I gotta get y'all. Y'all play man. Ooh, baby, you see this? How's your food? What you got? Nice. I got Kayla food already. Oh, you got the wing? Still working on the empanada. Oh, I gotta come eat y'all food. Oh, tell me I got a burger. Looks good. Asia plate looks good. Huh? What you got? Ooh, that looks good, dude. You gonna eat now? You gonna eat? Try it. Tell them what it tastes like. Try it. Try it fry. It's hot? It's not? Yeah. Okay. All right, baby girl. What you got? Ooh, you like it? Yeah. Oh, don't eat it. That's when you're allergic. Don't eat that. Okay. How's your food, Asia? All right. Okay. Kayla, how's your tacos? How's your tacos? Good? All right. Yeah? Oh. You sitting here, son? Excuse me. This is all us right here. I gotta eat, y'all. I gotta eat. Oh. On the vlog. LA. They. Sorry, I gotta get up. Everybody's food. Amazing people. So good. Ooh. That looks good. This is coconut shrimp. Coconut shrimp. Kayla, let's see. Okay. That looks good.